This was the week students were supposed to return back to the classroom after March break, but due to COVID-19 spreading across the globe, students will be out of the classroom for at least an additional 2 weeks. But that doesn't mean they have to take a break on education. On Friday, Education Minister Stephen Lecce, alongside Premier Doug Ford, announced they were launching a new online portal called Learn at Home, which gives students an opportunity to brush up on some of the things they were being taught in the classroom.
We know a child's education is essential to their development, and we are supporting families through this situation to make sure our kids can continue to learn. This online portal is just one more way we're giving parents some peace of mind during this difficult time.
Learn at Home, as it's called, offers interactive activities for elementary students and a focus on STEM education, also known as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics for high school students.
It is a new online resource that will help mitigate learning loss, provide interactive teacher-led math supports, and empower all students to learn the key skills with an emphasis on STEM education. Elementary resources are designed to help young students learn at home with interactive activities. They're created to encourage participation through entertaining digital content. High school content will be developed with a focus on STEM education to ensure core competencies and skills are reinforced over this 2-week period.
The curriculum on the website goes from kindergarten to grade 12 and mirrors what the students would have been learning in the classroom. It was created by certified Ontario education workers and also includes certified tutors available through TVO to help the students with the course load. But once classes resume, none of it will count for marks. But Ford says it's a great way for high school students to keep things memorized and a great learning tool for young students to learn something new while on their extended break. It comes at a time Ontario currently has 412 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the province, but that number is expected to be much higher. In Ottawa, 27 people are confirmed to have the illness, but Ottawa's Chief Medical Officer of Health says 4,000 people could be walking around the city unknowingly carrying the disease. As COVID-19 spreads, parents are starting to wonder if students will return back to the classroom on April 6th, or if that date will be extended. During Friday's press conference at Queen's Park, Lecce and Ford said they would be listening to the advice of Ontario's Chief Medical Officer, saying nothing is being ruled out.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that parents want predictability. In fact, Minister Elliott and I were speaking about this just days ago. The aim is to continue the conversation with Dr. Williams to provide as much certainty to parents as possible. The determination will be based exclusively on the scientific and medical advice that comes to Cabinet when it comes to making sure that both our staff and our personnel in schools remain safe. That is our singular guiding principle.
Lecce says if schools remain closed for an additional 2 weeks or even until the end of the school year, the provincial government will roll out a second phase of Learn at Home. He also says EQAO testing and the literacy test is cancelled this year, stressing the fact that grade 12 students will not have their graduating year ruined due to COVID-19. Charlie Cenac, TWIN News, Ottawa.